The Redmi 13C is Xiaomi's latest budget smartphone with amazing specs, but it's still in that $100 price range. And let's dive into it to check out the major pros and cons, which determines whether this should actually be your next phone. But first, I need you to smash that subscribe button for more insanely cool tech videos just like this one. Thank you. Firstly, we're going to focus on the build quality. It's still the typical Redmi aesthetic, a curved front and back, a sturdy plastic build which feels amazing, the clicky power button, as well as a glossy camera model which looks very premium. I can see that the design can be compared to that of more expensive phones like $250 to $300 phones. Okay, let's talk about the display. It's a 6.6-inch IPS panel with 600 nits of peak brightness and a 90 Hz refresh rate, which is smoother than most. Also, it can dial between 60 Hz and 90 Hz if you don't want just the 90 Hz option. Display is still pretty bright, though not visible under direct sunlight, so that's something you should expect for this price. Powering this phone is the MediaTek Helio G85, a budget gaming chipset, which means pretty smooth gaming, backed by up to 256GB of storage and 8GB of RAM. So that does mean multitasking will be pretty good, but you shouldn't try to push this guy too much to prevent lags and stuttering. So this Redmi 13C runs on MIUI 14 slapped on Android 13. So you should expect crazy customization, but also a landslide of ads and bloatware, which does contribute to the overall cheap price of the phone. The phone has a 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging, which is pretty good. The battery does last very long, and once you are low on battery, you should expect a 3-hour charge cycle because of the 18-watt charging speed, which isn't that fast. And the cameras is just as you expect. The triple camera setup would consist of a 50MP main camera, a macro camera, and a depth camera. And so you should expect decent photos and good lighting with the rear cameras, able to shoot 1080p video. Up front is an 8MP selfie camera which shoots in 1080p video, and good lighting should still make it take quite decent selfies. So for a price which rivals that of the Smart 8 as well as the Technopop 8, I personally think that this phone is better value. So do you think it's better value for you, or do you plan on getting this phone very soon? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up and smash that subscribe button as well. I'm Eli, it's Harry21, and I'll catch you in the next one.